In this video, I will be showing you how to delete your Deepseek account. Let's get started. I begin on the home screen of the Deepseek chat interface. I move my cursor to the input box where it says, Message Deepseek. I click on the box and type a prompt. Explain how artificial intelligence learns from data using simple examples that a beginner can understand. Then, I click the blue arrow icon on the right to send the message. As the page updates, a new chat session begins, and the detailed explanation starts streaming in. I can see the visual structure of the message with sections like Step 1, the data, showing examples, and Step 2, the guessing, making mistakes. I scroll down slowly to review the response. The text keeps rolling, explaining concepts like the loss function under Step 3. Now, I look at the top left corner of the screen where the menu icon sits. I click on the Open Sidebar icon to expand the left menu. This reveals my active chats, showing the AI Learning Explained Simply topic we just generated. Next, I navigate to the bottom left of the sidebar, hovering over my user profile name, Sample G. I click on my profile, which prompts a small context menu to pop up. From this menu, I click on the Settings option. The Settings window opens in the center of the screen, displaying the General tab by default, where I can see the theme and language options. I move my cursor down to the left panel of this pop-up and click on the Profile tab. Here, I can see my profile details, including my name, email address, and options to log out of all devices or delete the account. I click on the red Delete button next to Delete Account. A warning window labeled Delete Account appears, outlining the consequences of deleting my account, such as service access being revoked, chat history being permanently deleted, unused balances being forfeited, and warnings against avoiding repeated deletions to prevent bans. To verify and proceed with the deletion, I need to type the phrase, delete my account, in all capital letters into the text box. I click on the text box and begin typing, DELETE, space, MY, space, ACCOUNT. Once the phrase is typed exactly as requested, the Confirm Delete My Account button becomes active. I move my cursor over this button and click Confirm Delete My Account. The page redirects immediately to the Deepseek sign-in screen, and a green confirmation banner appears at the top, stating, Account deleted successfully. And that is how you permanently delete your Deepseek account. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.